Zimbabwe's Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is at the center of a fresh allegations of attempting to politically undermine the superior President Emmerson Mnangagwa in a botched internal ZANU-PF maneuver that has drawn comparisons to the infamous 2004 Cholocho coup plot. Sanabila mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoyi ari kuti kwanzi the ruling party ZANU-PF zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Aiwa, muri kupesana nekurwa kwakanyanyisa. Ndobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ndimina muna mubuda nyumba mchidzi during a live discussion on ZimEye. Former ZANU-PF Marshall Island West chairperson Themba Mliswa exposed what he described as a panic move by Chiwenga inside the ruling party's headquarters on 3 July 2025, triggered by agitation over controversial businessman Kuda Kwachitagwire's possible promotion into the party central committee. According to Mliswa, the entire episode was not just an expression of dissent, but a miscalculated attempt to shift power balances, using Tagwire as a pawn in what could be likened to the ill-fated Cholocho declaration coup attempt, which saw ambitious ZANU-PF officials trying to sideline the then President Robert Mugabe in 2004. Kuda was used as a pawn to shake Chiwenga up, suggested Mliswa. He was measured. In the 3 July drama, Mliswa claims that Chiwenga, caught in an agitation trap, openly called for Tagwire's ejection from ZANU-PF structures on Obet Mpofu's prompting during a high-stakes session, a move not supported by the party's constitutional procedures, particularly the Central Committee, which is responsible for such decisions. Kuda's issue was never tabled at the Central Committee. It was a setup, Mliswa explained. Chiwenga panicked, and instead of gaining ground, he only ended up making Kuda more popular. Despite accusations against Tagwire, which include the alleged embezzlement of public funds, the businessman has remained visibly aligned with Mnangagwa in the ZANU-PF. Mliswa further alleged that Chiwenga misread the internal power dynamics wrongly, assuming that military loyalty could be leveraged to influence civilian party structures. The army has no control in the ZANU-PF because it does not control the chairpersons, Mliswa stressed. Chiwenga misread the dynamics, he added. According to him, Chiwenga's failure to navigate the party's internal machinery now puts him at a political disadvantage, with even former allies turning cold amid the fallout. Mliswa's claims, which connect the other statements by ZANU-PF political commissar Nyarazi Machacha and Godwill Masimrembwa, could redefine the trajectory of Zimbabwe's power politics ahead of the party's next elective congress. It may have long-lasting implications for both the military's role in governance and the influence of economic elites like Tagwire within the ruling establishment. VP Constantino Chiwenga was reached for comment. Domashukano muda nyoko panguva inoi. Tudze mafunguro enyu mari kudipa msoro with these power struggles are waiting the ruling party ZANU-PF. Muna comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.